Hi, this is Reema Senya and you're listening to me with Mast Mast RJ Mala. So keep listening.
रीमा, सबसे पहले वेलकम टू द शो।
Thank you.
तो दिल्ली आके क्या चीज़ है जो आपको सबसे ज़्यादा पसंद आई?
Mujhe sincerely, because I've come from Bombay, I love Bombay. But the thing that I really like about Delhi is, the infrastructure. Nowhere in India will you see this kind of infrastructure. The wide roads. This is the only place where you don't have multi-stories. You beyond second or third floor, you cannot construct in metropolitan city, inside the city. I love the fact that it's just so much of greenery. I mean, nowhere in India, and I have traveled well. I'm a well-traveled person, but this kind of clean roads, this kind of wide roads, this kind of well-maintained city, I sincerely really enjoy it. Now when I go back to Bombay, not that I don't love Bombay, I love Bombay. Bombay is my first love, but suddenly I feel like I'm living in a concrete jungle. Oh my God, the buildings are falling all over me. So yeah, that's one of the. It's a lovely place. The quality of life is quality of lifestyle is very good here.
जी। अच्छा रीमा, कब आपको ये लगा कि अब मुझे मॉडलिंग की तरफ बढ़ना है और मुझे फिल्मी दुनिया को अपना करियर चूज करना है? कब आपको लगा ये?
नहीं, मेरे लिए ये एक बहुत नेचुरल ट्रांजिशन था. आई एम सॉरी, आई एम अ बंगाली, तो अगर मुझे मेरी कोई प्रोनाउंसिएशन, आई एम वेरी बैड विद द जेंडर्स, तो अगर कुछ गलती हो जाए तो प्लीज
नो
पार्डन मी. बट हाँ, व्हाट वाज योर क्वेश्चन? सॉरी.
मेरा सवाल ये था कि कब आपको ये लगा कि अब मॉडलिंग की तरफ ही बढ़ना है आपको या एक्टिंग ही करनी है?
So, for me it was a very general transition. It was a very obvious transition. Because मैं एक मॉडल की तरह दिखती नहीं हूँ. I am not the tall, leggy, bone-legged, type. Secondly, I love the camera. I am most comfortable. मुझे you won't believe, in my entire career मैंने कभी I hate walking the ramp. I've never walked the ramp because I used to get very nervous. But अगर आप मेरे पास एक कैमरा रख दो और you can have a 10,000 का crowd मेरे सामने, but as long as I hear the camera rolling, nothing bothers me. So I think it was a very natural transition for me because I really enjoy, I like even people who have seen my South films and all that, जिन्होंने मेरे South films देखे हैं, कहते हैं कि your dancing is very good. But मैंने कोई formal training नहीं ली है dancing के लिए, ना मैंने कोई formal acting training ली है. I just went with the flow. So I think it's a very natural transition which happened for me.
लेकिन आपने फिर अपने करियर की जो बिगनिंग है वो फिर मॉडलिंग से क्यों की?
Because modeling happened to me by chance. मेरी एक फ्रेंड था, sorry. He was working for Chaitra Leo Burnett. तो those days I had just joined Sapphire College. अगर आप बॉम्बे में जाओ तो this college called Sapphire College. और उनके बिल्कुल बाजू में there's this advertising agency called Chaitra Leo Burnett. तो एक दिन I was in my 11th standard that time. I just joined 11th. And I went to meet this friend of mine. He's from Calcutta. So I said, chalo, class bunk करके ना, let's go and meet him. So I just went to meet him, and वहाँ पे I didn't even know what an advertising agency was at that point of time.
Okay.
So I just walked in. I thought ये normal office है, whatever he does, advertising or whatever. So I walked into the office, और वहाँ पे जैसे when I entered, there were these top guys there who had seen me, and they came and said, they went to my friend and said, ask her if she wants to model. And that's how I had landed my first, I think it was Camé. That's what they had offered me, or Camé or Rexona, I don't remember. Then I ultimately finally did something else. It was not that, but that's how I landed my advertising. और फिर एक के बाद एक, because I was good in front of the camera, so whenever I'd go for a screen test, I would always get through. Also, I have a very I don't have a typical, I have an Indian face, Indian with a lot of character in my face. That's what everybody says. So, and जो भी मेरे whoever is to see my screen test, उनको कहते थे कि my eyes are very expressive, although they are very chinky. They're like little chinky, but they're very expressive. So it was very easy for me to do ads because I just get through with all my ads. तो मैंने 30-40 कैसे ऐसे I think around 30-40 ad films की हैं. And then I gradually, somebody said they were looking at a girl who was very very bubbly and very vivacious. तो किसी ने कहा कि just check her out. and I went, and that's how I signed my first film. So it was a very easy journey for me. This is not what I had planned.
लेकिन जब आप मॉडलिंग कर रही थी उस समय आपको, क्योंकि आपका मेन गोल था कि आपको एक्टिंग ही करनी है,
नहीं, that's what I'm saying. I never wanted to become an actor.
लेकिन आप तो कैमरे के सामने बहुत ज्यादा मतलब
हाँ, it was
comfortable
just a
थी।
very very comfortable thing. I never knew कि मैं इतनी comfortable हूँ कैमरा के सामने.
हाँ।
I never wanted to become an actress. It was not like when my biggest ambition when I was small was that I want to become an air hostess.
अच्छा।
जो सबको होते हैं कि एक पॉइंट पे कि they want to become a pilot or want to become an air hostess.
हाँ।
So that was what I wanted to कि ठीक है, I'll do something. But never an actress. It's just that जब मैं when I started modeling, when I went in front of the camera, I was very comfortable. So even that time it was like, okay, films, let's, then people started calling me
try.
for films.
हाँ.
So I said, okay, fine.
ओके, लेकिन आप पढ़ाई में कैसे थे?
In fact, there's a very famous incident. I was called by ABCL once. That time I didn't want to do films.
अच्छा।
So I got a call from ABCL and so
Yeah, ABCL से call
yeah,
आया।
so there was this call from ABCL on they wanted me to they'd seen some pictures of mine on newspaper. तो उन्होंने कहा कि ABCL में आपकी photographs भेज दो. So I didn't send it. Then again they called me and I didn't bother. So then the third time they called me up and that time they were looking for a girl for Abhishek.
अच्छा।
So I to do some new film or something like that. I don't. So Jayaji came on the line and I got so nervous. So he said she was so good, So she said, Reema, would you like to do a movie? And I said no. And then I realized what I was saying. I said, no, maybe I would like to do the film. So for me it was a very natural transition. It was never something which I wanted to do या मैंने plan की थी. ऐसे ही हो गया, चल पड़े, and it became like, okay, fine, this is what I like to do.
ओके, लेकिन काम करते करते कभी आपको ये लगा कि यार पहले तो कभी कोई ट्रेनिंग ली नहीं, अब कुछ ट्रेनिंग ले लें?
नहीं।
लोग पूछते हैं
नहीं।
जब इंटरव्यूज करते हैं तो
नहीं,
लोग पूछते
I've
हैं।
never felt it because see, आप as an actor अगर आप ट्रेनिंग लेते हो तो there are basics जो आप ट्रेनिंग लेते हो, like camera, placing, how to but basic acting talent or basic whatever talent you have in you, it has to be there in you. Nobody can teach you. The only thing I regret as an actor is that I wish I'd learned Indian dancing.
अच्छा।
I wish I'd trained for classical Indian dancing.
Why?
Because that is a drawback, especially when you're doing songs. अगर आप songs कर रहे हो तो it's very important because it gives you a great sense of catching the rhythm. But apart from that, no, not for anything else. Not in terms of acting, no.
ओके।